Stogie-Tripod. It's all about Stogie-Tripod. Just come and take Stogie-Tripod all around the world. Stogie-Tripod. Lifestyle, Stogie will travel. Destination everywhere is waiting on your arrival. I'm talking about country to country and city to city. Stogie travels with Mary Gooch. I'll put you on the ditty. Fine libation, paired with Stogie sensations. Exploring cigar culture in every destination. Celebration of what's good in life. Bringing the world to your front door. Stogie travel.
Thanks for tuning in to another episode to the Stogie Channel, The Blaze Report. Man, look, did somebody say CAO FASA Noche? Boom. What a nice looking cigar. So man, we're gonna go ahead and break this down. This puppy here has a Connecticut broadleaf wrapper. It has a Cameroon binder. It's got some Dominican, some Nicaraguan fillers in here that are just amazing. You can click below and go read about it if you want to. I've included that, so man, go check it out. Also, do me a favor, click below, like, subscribe. It helps the algorithm, man. I'm trying to grow the blog. The YouTube channel is as many followers as possible. So look, man, it's a 6x50. Looking forward to cutting this puppy right here. The manufacturer profile, I'll just go ahead and touch a few bases on it. I'll list it also below. There's a link. So on behalf of the Fasa Noche, the contrast, the smooth and spiciness, bigger, bolder, and deeper flavors. And I can tell you already, because we've already smoked a few, it's in here. It's in here. Big, bold flavors. Mostly CAOs are. I love all of them. So let's go ahead and I'll touch back bases and talk a little bit more about the profile. Let's go ahead and cut this. Today I'm going to go ahead and use the V-cut. So you can use kind of whatever you prefer. We'll take this wrapper off on the foot. We'll go ahead and describe a little bit of it too. It's a slightly veiny wrapper with otherwise a silky kind of texture to it, believe it or not. Has a unique kind of like a unique pre-light smell on it as well. Some dry fruits and spices, especially at the foot. So we'll go ahead and light this up. Let's get this party started. The CAO, man. Fasa Noche. So the CAO FASA and Noche, also there were two of them. There's the Soul. We'll review the Soul. We'll give you the rundown on that as well. But since the two shared the same binder and filler tobaccos, that noticeably difference come from the incredible U.S. broadleaf Oscuro grown in Connecticut River Valley. This standout tobacco leaf offered a rich and deep power that, when paired by the shared blend, makes a completely unique smoking experience. And yes, I'm getting this from the Noche. We're going to again smoke the Soul, and maybe I might be do a comparison and kind of give a rundown between the difference. Maybe it may meet your profile, but again, this is the CAO FASA Noche. What a very good CAO going forward, man, and we'll come back and touch bases with you as we're entering into the second third. I really like this ash, man. This white flaky ash. Not bad. It looks like I made about or lose it, not sure. Looking, depending on how you hold it, right? Yes, so look, man, we are in the second third comfortably. A lot of spicy notes, especially through the nose, right? There was consistent sweet undertones on my palate with some woody notes that developed later on into it, as you can see here. The Noche, Fasa Noche cigar, the aroma continued to develop and had a very enticing character and consistent spices. Again, CAO FASA Noche cigar review, man, this is like not bad. CAO, they always do it. They always make a good cigar and we always enjoy them. Do me a favor, man, click below, subscribe, leave a comment, show some love, help the algorithm. It's time to remove this wrapper, man. Let's go ahead and get this out of here. We're about done, about finished with that second third, and we're gonna start this this final third, man. And we continue to get this white pepper, nice spice to it, man. This bold flavor. So just wanted to remove that van, and we'll come back and we'll talk a little bit about this final third, and then we'll go into the final thoughts. CAO FASA Noche. Final third. So let me give you the rundown. Refined flavors and extremely well balanced on the palate. There was slow and even burn that held on to a decent flaky ash, spices, some cocoa notes on the palate with a creamy texture to the smoke, consistent sweet undertones on the palate with some woody notes that developed later on. My final thoughts: an overall well-made, full flavor and full body cigar with outstanding construction, a complex, delicious flavor and aroma, would not let up. Medium to full body with a great aroma, an excellent cigar with very rich tobacco flavors and complexity. The CAO FASA Noche. Was this cigar good to buy? Was it a good buy? Yes. Did I enjoy the aroma while smoking? Yes. Did the taste transition as you smoked? Yes. Did it have complexity? Yes. How consistent was the strength level? It was great to me. What makes this cigar different or special? The flavor complexity. I thought it was very interesting. I like that in my cigars. Did the cigars produce spice? Yes. Did the flavors match the description? Yes. Did the strength match the description? Yes. Would I smoke this cigar again? Absolutely. My final rating on the CAO FASA Noche, 88.